and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are going to be making homemade blackberry margaritas. This is actually my mom's recipe and it's a super big fan favorite. Whenever we have a party, people drink it and they leave feeling happier. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is squeeze together some lemons and limes. Most recipes only call for limes, but I also like the flavor that lemons bring to it. So I'm just going to squeeze these out. So to make the margarita, you're going to want to get your shaker, fill it up about halfway with ice, and then add 2 ounces of tequila and 2 ounces of a lemon-lime mixture. You're going to want to add 1 ounce of triple sec and 2 ounces of simple syrup. Also, if you want to buy your simple syrup at the store, you totally can, or if you're making it homemade, take a 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water and slowly simmer it down until all the sugar is dissolved. The next thing you're going to want to do is take your blackberries and muddle them down along with a few sprigs of thyme. So the next thing you're going to want to do is just strain out your blackberry puree mixture into your tequila mixture. So here I have my freshly chilled glass, which I'm going to just rim it with some lime before I dip it into a half salt, sugar, and lime mixture, which I have over here. And now the fun part. Alright, there we go. And then the last thing I'm going to do is just add a splash over top of Grand Marnier, as well as a handful of blackberries and some fresh thyme. There we have her, our beautiful blackberry margarita. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, please check out the ones that are right over here for more of my recipes. I do not know how people do that in bars. That tires their hand out quick.